Hey friends, this is Amanda Bobbett here with Healthy Hydration. Just wanted to reach out to you for 1 minute here and say thank you so much for your recent purchase and the trust in our company as it's now operating all over the world. Hydration is changing people's lives. So thank you again for your commitment. Want to just give you an update on your order if you are waiting for it. You probably noticed on the website there, it does say please allow 2 to 3 weeks for shipping. And we are expecting our inventory to get replenished here, but we have had so many wonderful sales coming to us because the products work and people love them. So because of that, it's just a fluctuation. It's the Christmas time, so everybody's wanting product right now. So thank you for being patient. This is our first year in business, and as you know, it takes time to get used to the sales volume. And so thank you so much for believing in us. And we've added in a special gift when you get your products. You'll notice there's a little special gift from us to you to keep you happy, healthy, and free for years to come. So thank you, and cheers to hydrogen in the new year.